Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, I got a couple of products from, you guessed it, Harbor Freight. Something about them. First of all, you got the orange goop hand cleaner. 1 gallon thing of it is $12.99. I don't know if that's a good deal or not, but I would assume it probably is. I haven't really bought that stuff in forever, and this is what I bought last time at Harbor Freight, and it lasted me forever, so I'm good with that. And I use this stuff almost daily. Next thing is this Pro Seal gasket, high temp RTV silicone gasket stuff. That was $3.49, so that's quite a bit cheaper than the even the cheap stuff at the auto parts store that I got last time that worked, but it blew out the bottom. So we'll see how long this lasts. But the big thing about these, it's right there. Made in USA. Actually says made in USA, not assembled, not just shipped to the USA and put a American name on it. Anyway, you got the flag here, but it actually says made in the USA. So whether or not it really is, you guys can decide, but when it says made in the USA, I would assume it's actually made in the USA. Sometimes they can get around some of those things. But I'm pretty happy with that, especially buying it at Harbor Freight. And I know this was cheaper. I'm assuming this was quite a bit cheaper than like the name brand stuff or whatever. Well, YouTube, we have a fail. So, product fail. Did the same thing as the last one did, only it did it right off the bat pretty much. So, I was in the middle of it. I had to finish it off. The rest of that will be going back and getting my money back because I'm tired of piss poor quality, even from made in the USA. I can, however, say this is a good product. I wanted to use it, which now I have, and it still cleans my hands just fine. It's got that orange smell that I like personally, and it does work really good. Like I said, price-wise, I have no idea. I'm pretty sure last time I bought this, though, it was quite a bit cheaper than the Gojo stuff. But I'm not positive, so you have to check that out for yourself. But I can verify that this stuff does work well. Alright, this is Sam, Jack of all, Master of none. You all have a good one.